So today I would like to talk about the causes of low libido in women and how we can revive women's libido. It's normal thing for women to experience changes in their libido over time. Okay, and it's very common to see people experiencing low or high libido at the beginning of relationship or even at the end of relationship, or maybe during pregnancy or during child delivery or after delivery or even after some surgery or major illnesses. So how can you know that a woman is experiencing low sexual drive? One is that she will not really have that sexual fantasy, no sexual thought at all, and she doesn't really like any sexual activity at all, no interest in sexual activities at all. And she doesn't really feel good about it. She will always feel bad about her situation. So if you experience all these three symptoms, know that you are having low libido. Your libido or your sexual drive is highly affected. Then, what are the possible causes? We have physical causes, which can be, if a woman is experiencing pain during sex or any sexual activity, or if she's on medications for hypertension or antidepressants, like for depression, this medication can affect her sexual drive. If she has hypertension, diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular issues, she might experience low libido as well. Or if she has undergone some surgeries, maybe she has removed her breast or she has done some surgery in her genital part, that may affect her sexual drive. Then we have some psychological factors. When we talk about psychological factors, we are talking about her mental health, her state of mind, her feelings, her mood. So if she is depressed, if she's withdrawn, if she has been passing through a lot of stress, if she's having a lot of worries about finances, about work, about life situations, it will affect her sexual drive. Then we have relationship problems. If she's not in a good term with her husband or her partner, if there is unresolved conflict, if there's poor communications, if there is some issue in the family, maybe she can't communicate freely with the husband, she's having that poor body image, she doesn't feel good about herself, it will affect her sexual drive. Then we have hormonal factors. There are some situations where a woman will not really feel the desire because of her hormonal level, maybe during menopause. Once she reaches menopause, she might have a dip, a low level of estrogen, which can affect her sexual drive because low level of estrogen can cause her to experience, vaginal dryness and other discomfort. And that will, affect her sexual drive. Then even during child delivery or after delivery, during child um, breastfeeding or even during pregnancy, some women don't really have the drive to have sex. Then how can we revive this woman that is experiencing low sexual drive? One is by speaking to someone, speaking to people that really experience, like sex educators, counselors. They will be able to rewind your brain. You'll be able to speak sense into you, change your perception, change your orientation about sex. Then try to spice up your relationship. Okay, try to bring some new fantasies, bring some new sexual drive, bring some new positions. You mustn't just use one particular positions like missionary positions for sex. You can use other methods like doggy method, spooning method. There are a lot of sexual styles or sexual positions you can use to enhance your sexual life. Then try to be active. Do minor exercise just to keep your life, fit. Right? Then if you are indulging in some unhealthy lifestyles like drinking excessively, reduce alcohol intake. Eat healthy, hydrate yourself, right? Try to reduce stress. Then maintain good relationship with your partner. Communication is the key. Communicate all the time. Speak to him, maintain a good rapport with him. If you have hormonal issues, you can go for hormonal replacement. If you have already reached menopause, if you are experiencing vaginal dryness, maybe because of menopause, you can go for lubricants, like water-based lubricants. Okay, these are just the few ways you can help yourself if you're experiencing low sexual drive.